Okay, so this question says two construction companies are competing for a contract to build an apartment complex. Both companies will purchase the equipment for $300,000. Company A, each year, three-fourths of the value of the equipment remains. However, for Company B, each year, 0.72 of the value of the equipment remains. So the question we're asked to answer is like, which company's equipment has the higher remaining value? Um, and as usual, we want to think about the equation. These both represent exponential growth, and so the equation that the general equation for exponential growth is y is equal to a times b to the x, and we know that a represents initial value and b represents growth, and now we're thinking of as decay factor. And in this case, both of the numbers that we are seeing here as associated with A and B are values that are less than 1, so we know we are going to be referring to decay factor. So, what's the initial value in this particular case? Well, the initial value is the amount or the cost of the equipment that is purchased, which is $30,000. So if we think about the equation in each of these cases for Company A, the equation is 300,000 times 3/4 raised to the t. That 3/4 can also be written as a decimal, which is 0.75, and you can do that through division. You can put it in your calculator. And for Company B, the equation would be 300,000 times 0.72 raised to the t, and remember t represents time in years. So the decay factor for A is 0.75, and the decay factor for Company B is 0.72. When we compare both of these companies, which of the company's equipment has the higher remaining value? The company's equipment that will have the higher remaining value is going to be the one that has the greater remaining value in terms of the decay factor. And so when we look at both of those numbers, 0.75 and 0.72, it is clear that Company A is going to be the one with the greater or higher remaining value, because 0.75 is greater than 0.72. So we would say the company that had the higher, whose equipment had the higher remaining value is Company A, because 0.75 has a greater value than 0.72.